Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. I recently had some reviews for the Klein Tools Slim Profile Magnetic Mini Ratchet. 65200 MAG is the part number. This is the newer version where not only the bit is held in with a magnet, but that magnetism transfers down to the fastener. That is awesome in my opinion. The other great feature is that it has some onboard bit storage that you can take on and off. If you haven't seen it, you might want to go check out my review video. And it's because of that review video, it got such great feedback and such great engagement from you guys. Klein Tools wanted to make sure and say thank you. So they sent me 10 of these things to give away that I'm going to give away here on my YouTube channel. I'm going to give it away in a couple different ways. The only one main caveat for all those ways, you do have to be in the lower 48 of the United States because I'm going to have to ship 10 of these. It could get crazy expensive if I go shipping them all over the place. So I am going to limit it to that. So what are the ways that you can win? Well, one of those ways is to comment down below this video right here that you're watching, whatever comment that you want to make, and then add the hashtag Klein Tools. I will do a random comment generator during a live, and we will pick 3 winners from the comment section of this video, but I will be looking for people that have that hashtag. If you don't have that hashtag, I will keep drawing until I find 3 people that do. The second way you can win is to go back to the existing review video that's out there, watch it again, and then go down in the comment section below that video and make a comment with the hashtag Klein Tools, and I will draw 3 people from that video during that same live. Now, the one caveat with that is if you have already commented on that video, you're going to need to go in and edit your comment and add the hashtag Klein Tools. If you make a new comment and have that hashtag, and then I do a drawing and I pull your old comment that doesn't have it, I will keep drawing until I find 3 people. So your best chance to win is to go in and edit your comment to do that. The third way is that during the live, when I actually do the drawing for both those comment sections, I'm going to give away 4 of these to people who are present. We're going to have some kind of questions about Klein Tools, and then also play the high-low game with my Klein Tools card deck, and then we'll see who wins there as well. So again, 3 for this video, 3 for the review video, and 4 during that live where we actually do the drawing. So you've got 10 chances to win this thing. But in case you didn't catch all that I just said, I will have all that information down in the description, so make sure you go and read that first. I want to thank Klein Tools for doing this, but I also want to thank you guys for watching the video and being engaged, because without that, this wouldn't happen. But as always, I hope this video is helpful. I want to wish you guys good luck, and then also you guys stay safe, have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next video.